Welcome back to Not So Grand Garage. Today we're out in the shop and we are working on the Samurai project again. Going to try and get the ride height set today and start getting this lift buttoned up. So let's get at it. So what we have here to round out our lift kit is a full set of Dr.Z Fab lift shackles. I believe this will work out real nice for us and get us the overall clearance we're needing for those 31s. I think they'll pair real well with the Old Man Emu springs we've got. So yeah, so we're going to tear into it and get it knocked out. These units look solid. All the welds look great. Penetration looks good. No booger welds here. And made right here in the USA by small business. So we like to support our small businesses. And big shout out to Dr. Z for helping us out. We're going to tear the factory shackles off. We're going to replace the frame side bushings with the remainder of the kit from Energy Suspension. And to get these bolted up, we'll take some before and after measurements to see where we were at overall with the lift. Stock shackles compared to these. So, on the front, we're right around 32 inches. On the back, we're probably at 32 and 3/8, I'd say. As you can see, I've still got all this hardware just finger tight. I've got most of the weight off the front end. So I'm gonna go on and pull this bolt out. I might end up having to cut this one, but yeah, we'll get these factory stamped steel paperweights pulled off of here. As you can see, this one here is slightly tweaked already. Going to get these old bushings ripped out of here, put our new poly bushings in, and get our new shackles put in. So we've got our front shackles bolted up. Still everything is loose. We will go back through and tighten everything up once we wrap it up. Now that we've got a little bit of a Cali lean going on, we're gonna go on and tear into this backside and do the same thing. It's pretty straightforward. Come in here, tear off the originals, we're we'll go on and get the tires and everything off, get it up in the air, let the axle swing down, and put our new shackles in. So a small issue with this upper mount here, this custom bumper support bracket we've got going on here, is in the way of our shackle. Now it'll fit vertically, but when it goes to move back, it's gonna hit that. So I'm gonna get the grinder out. I'm gonna 45 this off as best I can and give this shackle some room to move, and hopefully that'll do it. From the looks of it, I'll be doing it on both sides, so yeehaw. For you guys doing your fab work at home, these guys right here, Benchmark Abrasives, it's where it's at. Tell you what, as far as abrasives go, cutoff wheels, grinding disc, flapper disc, best prices I've found. I've been using them for a few years now, and I tell you what, I've not had any issues out of any of them. They ship quick, and yeah, for what I do, they work great. Got the back all buttoned up. Looking good. And there we have it, back down on all fours. I'm gonna go on and check the measurements. So on the front, we were at 32 before. We are sitting right on 33.5. And in the back, we are sitting now level at 33.5. Well, I think we're gonna wrap this one up right here. Again, big shout out to Dr.Z Fab. Makes great products. You need to check them out. That's DRZFab.com. Check them out if you're looking for suspension components. They've got lift shackles, they've got YJ conversions or YJ spring conversion parts, stuff like that. So yeah, small business, made right here in the States. So check them out for sure. But yeah, overall, I'm really happy with where it's sitting. I think we will clear those 31s that the owner is wanting just fine with this setup. Now we've got all new bushings, all new hardware. I still need to go through and do a once over on all the hardware, tighten everything up, torque it to spec. I've still got some brake lines to finish up, drive lines, steering. It's got a little ways to go yet, but it's getting there. So with that said, if you would, click that like button. It really helps us out with the YouTube algorithms. If you've got any comments, complaints, questions, drop them in the comment section below. If you want to support the channel, got a PayPal account set up. It's in the description of the video. So yeah, if you haven't already, please subscribe. We appreciate you watching.